Hello, I'm Jeff. In the early 90s, I had RK done, which worked for about 6 years. After that, my eyes started getting very bad. I've had a lot of problems. I've had problems driving, reading, and I've seen several people, experts, who told me that cornea replacements were about my only hope, which is not very effective. It's only like 50% effective. And one day I was on the internet Googling cornea damage from RK, and I came across Dr. Motwani's website where he explained what he could do. And I'm in the process now of being treated by Dr. Motwani, and my vision has significantly improved. And I have another appointment in a couple months for another procedure, and I am almost there where I'll be able to see very well. I can now drive and read, and I'm very pleased. Thank you.